In today's tutorial, we're learning how to make this beautiful outline around a portrait. And it really makes the image pop out, so it's perfect for profile pictures or any other designs. And we're starting from a blank canvas, and now we want to look for a nice image. So let's go to Elements and look for Portrait Woman. Go to the Pictures tab or Photos, see all. And here we have a whole bunch of images that we could use. So we can use any of those. Let's see if we can find a nice one that we want to use. You can use ones with different background, like a plain background, or with something else in the back. You can always cut it off, that is no problem. Let's go for this one and add it to the canvas. Let's expand it just a little bit for now and close this tab. Now we want to select the image. We want to go to Edit Image on top. And here we want to select the background remover first. This way we have a clean background to work with. Now to make it convenient, let's give the background color a different color. So for example, red, and position the picture at the bottom. Select the picture again, go to Edit Image again, and now go to Shadows. And here in the Shadow tab, we have two options. Here we can go for Glow or Outline. Let's go for Outline. Select a white color, and now we can play around with the size of that outline that we want to generate. We can increase the size of the picture so that we don't have this outline at the bottom, and we can just drag that off the screen or adjust the crop marks. And this way you can increase it and have a nice picture with a cutout and an outline on the image. And this is how you can easily create portrait images with a nice outline, which are perfect for profile pictures or other designs.